I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP22 Excel chapter 7 come HotTubs introduction. Okay, I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. Hire me for your weekly quizzes, weekly assignment and exams and complete course. I will provide you A+ grade with quality grades. Okay, I am handling many students courses on Cengage, Pearson, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. I am also handling many student courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, C++, Java and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment: XP22 Excel chapter 7 cumulative HotTubs instruction. Okay, here is the title of assignment. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Here is project description. Okay, for you see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1. In question number 1, start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 7 come HotTubs. xlsx creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. You can see this my Excel workbook. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, now moving on. Question number 2. In question number 2, in cell D2 insert the weekday function to return the serial number representing the weekly that the first HotTubs was ordered. Cell C2E2. Copy the function to the range D3 to D12. Okay, basically in this question, in cell D2 insert the weekday function to return the serial number representing the weekday that first HotTubs was ordered. Cell E2. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell. First we will enable editing, then click on cell D2, press is equal to and then go to the formulas and go to the date and time, and then we will enter here weekday function. Okay, and first is that E2. Okay, serial number E2 and then return type is serial number E2. Okay, and then return type is 2 and then click on OK. Okay, this will be fine. Weekday order. Now copy the function to the range D3 to D12. Okay, we will copy this function to the range D3 to D12. Now moving on next question. I have done this question, you can see on my PC screen. Next question is question number 3. In question number 3, select the range D2 to D12, apply a custom number format DDD form to display the actual weekday, apply left horizontal alignment. Okay, basically in this question we will apply custom number format on this range. First we will select this range. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Okay, enter this range area. Okay, and then we will apply custom number format DD form. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on home tab and then simply click on number group and then click on custom format, and then we will enter here custom format DD form and then click on OK. It will be apply custom format on this range and then apply left horizontal alignment. Okay, then we will apply left horizontal alignment. You can select this and then go to the home tab and go to the alignment tab, and here is left horizontal alignment. You can see here align left. Okay, this will be done. Now moving on question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. In cell G2 insert the days function to calculate the number of days between the date ordered and date received for the first HotTubs. Apply center horizontal alignment. Copy the function to the range G3 to G12. Basically in this question we will insert days function in cell G2 to calculate the number of days between the date ordered and date received for the first HotTubs. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell G2, press is equal to, go to the formula and click on date and times, and then we will enter days function Okay, order date, okay, date order and received. Okay, here is that F2, and then E2. Okay, date order for F2 and then date order is E2. Okay, then click on OK. This is done now. Days will be shown in here, and then press center horizontal element, copy the function to the range G3 to G12. First we will copy this G2 to G12, and then we will apply center horizontal alignment. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment tab. Here is center horizontal alignment. You can see this. Then apply on this. Now moving on next question. First we will do this question and then we will do this two question, then it will be done correct. Okay, in this question, in cell C2 insert switch function to evaluate the first value in code column, switch PD and paid in full, and switch CR for credit. Use text string for the last four function arguments. Copy the function for the range C3 to C12. Basically, in this question, we will enter a switch function in cell C2. Okay, C2 to evaluate the first value in the code column, switch PD and paid for full and switch CR for credit. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell C2, press is equal to and then enter here switch function. Okay, and then okay, switch PD for paid or full and CR for credit. Okay, then we will click on B2 for PD. Okay, then enter inverted commas and then type PD. Okay, then enter inverted commas and then enter comma and then enter inverted commas PD for paid in full. You can copy this. Moving on Excel workbook and type here, or you can paste here paid in full and then inverted commas, then enter comma and then for CR. Okay, and then CR for, you can copy this, CR for credit, enter. Okay, inverted commas, then again inverted commas, then type CR. Okay, then enter comma, then enter again inverted commas and then CR for credit. You can copy this, you can copy this credit and then type here and then inverted commas, then close this bracket. You can see this, I have done switch function in cell C2 and then I have done this all formula. Okay, then press enter, it will be show paid in full in column C, paid status. Now copy the function to the range C3 to C12. You can this, now we will copy this function C3 to C12. You can copy this function C3 to C12. This is good now. Now moving on next question is question number 6. Okay, in cell I2 insert the if-else function. Evaluate if the days for the first HotTubs order was greater than 70. If so, return $100. If the days for the HotTubs was greater than 45, return $50. Otherwise, return $0. Use cell references to the criteria, thresholds, and score credit located in the range H5 to I6. Use relative and mixed references correctly. Copy the function to the range I3 to I12. Okay, basically in this question we will enter if-else function in cell I2. Okay, I2 evaluate the days for first HotTub greater than 70, so return $100, greater than 45, return $50, otherwise return 0. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell I2. Okay, click on cell I2, press is equal to and then enter if-else function, and then we will enter G2 days. If days greater than, if the days is greater than 70, you can read this, greater than 70 return 100. If the days is ought to be greater than 45, return $50, otherwise 0. Okay, okay, is the greater than 100, greater than 100 and the days is G2 Okay, if the days for the hot tub are greater than 45, return 50, otherwise 0. Okay, G2 greater than, if the days is greater than 40, if it is greater than 40, then 50. Okay, then 50, and then the G2 days is less than 40, less than, if the less than 40, then 0. Okay, then we will, you can see this, if the days is greater than 70, it will be return 100, and if the days will be greater than 40, it will be return 50. If the days is less than 40, it will be return 0. Then press enter. Okay, it will be total credited in cell I2. Okay, now copy the function to the range I3 to I12. We will copy this function to I3 to I12. You can see this. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. In cell J2, insert an if function with a nested AND function with the nested OR function. The function should display send gift basket. If these conditions are met, the model was either luxury or century. Okay, serenity. Hot tub was paid in full. If the condition are false, use an empty text string. Okay, empty text string, use text within the argument and appropriate relative cell references. Copy the function to the range J3 to J12. Okay, basically in this question we will enter a if function, if and nested function, if and nested and OR function in cell J2. Moving on, xlsx, click on cell J2 plus is equal to, and then enter if function. And okay, you can see this formula will be entered, then press enter, it will be fine. Thanks, your gift is send gift box. Okay, then copy the function to the range J3 to J12. Okay, this copy the function to range J3 to J12. This is good now. Now moving on, next question. Is question number 8. In question number 8, in cell B15, insert the average A function. To calculate average number of days for the luxury model, use mixed references to the range and criteria range. Use a relative references to cell A15 that contain model name. Do not type text as the criteria argument. Apply number format 0 decimal places. Center horizontal alignment. Copy the function to the range B16 to B17 and preserve the existing border cell B17. Basically, in this question we will enter a if average function cell B15. Average A function cell B15. Okay, basically in this question we will enter average A function cell B15. Moving on, Excel workbook. Okay, click on cell B15. You can see this my file. I have done this assignment for my other one student and he got A plus grade. You can see I have done this assignment for my one student. Okay, and he got A plus grade. Now we will enter average A function cell B15. Click on cell B15, press is equal to, and then average A function, and then A2. Okay, then we will enter a dollar sign, press shift and click on 4, enter dollar sign, A2 to A12. Okay, we will select this range A2 to A12. Okay, enter a dollar sign, press control and then shift. Okay, then the second range is that okay, A15. Okay, then enter here A15. Okay, then A15, and then the second range is that you can see here A15 and then B16. Okay, then G2 to G12. Okay, A15 and then do not criterion apply them from G2 to G12. Okay, then we will enter a dollar sign. Okay, you can see this formula. I have entered average A function, and then first I will select this range model A2 to A12, and then we will enter A12 and then G2 to G12, and then we will press enter. It will be find average days is here. Okay, then copy the function to the range. Okay, plus center horizontal and copy the function to the range B16 to B17. Okay, you can copy this function and then go to the home tab and then go to the alignment and then center horizontal alignment. Okay, it will be find luxury average days and security average days and bubbles average days. You can see this. Now moving on next question. This is question number 9. In cell C15 insert the Contac function to calculate the each of HotTubs model. Use mixed references for the range and relative references for the first model. In the A15 apply center horizontal alignment, copy the function to the range C16 to C17 and preserve the existing border in cell C17. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell C15 and then enter Contac function. Press is equal to enter count a function and then A2 to A12. First range is that A2 to A12. Okay, then enter dollar sign, press shift and click on 4. Press shift and click on 4. Okay, A2 to A12. Okay, then enter A15 and then we will press enter. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, agree orders and then copy the formula C15 to copy this formula C15 to C16. Okay, you can see this luxury orders and security order and bubbles order. You can see this and then go to the alignment tab and then apply center alignment. Okay, this is done now. And then border, go to the border and then apply thick bottom border and then click on this cell and go to the border and then apply thick borders. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next question is question number 10. In question number 10, in cell E15 insert the max A function to calculate the highest price luxury model purchase on credit. Use mixed references to the range and criteria range argument. Use a relative reference to the model name in A15. Use a mixed reference to the word credit in cell E14. Basically in this question we will enter a max A function in cell C15 to calculate the highest price luxury model purchase on credit. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell E15 and then enter max A function. Press is equal to and enter max A function. First we enter max fs function. Okay, then we will enter this range I2 to I12. Okay, then we enter this range and then we will enter here dollar sign. Okay, press shift and click on 4. It will dollar sign will be added. Okay, and then A2. Okay, then A15. Okay, I2 to then second range is that A2 to A12. Okay, A2 to A12 is second range and then enter here dollar sign and then close the present. Sorry, here is at $12. Okay, then we will press enter. okay, A2 to A12, and then enter A15, sorry, then enter A15, then enter A15, okay, then enter A15, and then C2 to C12, okay, enter $sign, okay, C2 to C12, and then enter E14, E14, okay, enter $sign, okay, then close it. Okay, you can see this. I have entered this formula, and then we will press enter, and it will be done. Okay, highest price will be find here, credit is here, you can see this. Now use the mixer references. Highest price, now here is average price. Now we will find average price is there. Okay, now moving on, next question is customer 11. Copy the function E15 to E16 and preserve the existing border in cell E16. Credit the function in cell E16 to calculate the average price of scenario model. Purchase credit if you send correct mixed cell reference original price. You credit is only change the function to average if as moving on Excel workbook. You can copy this function. Okay, you can see this. I have done this question, and then go to the border, click on this border. Okay, this is good. Now we will moving on, next question is question number 12. Copy the function E15 to E17. I have also done this step. You can see added the function E17. Okay, copy the function this E15 to E17. You can see this. I have also done this step. Now moving on, next question is question number 13. Display the map worksheet. Select the range A3 to B8 and insert a map. Cut the map and paste into cell D1. You can find this range, insert, copy this range. Moving on Excel workbook, and then enter this. First we will display map worksheet, and then enter range and range area. Okay, sorry. Enter range and range area, and then go to the insert tab. Click on map. Click on filled map. Map will be inserted, and then cut the map and paste into cell D1. Right click on this map and then cut it and paste in cell D1. Okay, now change the map title annual HotTubs and apply blue accent 5:50 font color to the chart title. Okay, apply blue accent 5 darker 50 font color. Okay, first we will edit this chart title. Click on chart title. You can paste here chart title, and then select this chart title, go to the font color, and then we will apply blue accent 5 darker 50%, sorry, blue accent 5 darker 50%. This is good. Now next step is that customer 15, set 2.8 height. You can select this chart and go to the click on chart, click on format tab, and then we will set here height of chart, and then 4.6 inches width of chart, and here is 4.6 inches width of chart. This is good. Now then show all data label. Okay, right click on this, click on format data series, map label, map area, show all. Okay, show all data labels. Okay, this is good. Now you can see here I have done this assignment 85% for remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, and many more courses. Please add me for your complete course. I will help you in your weekly assignment, weekly quizzes, and exams and complete course. I will provide you A+ grade. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you.